How to turn off location on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off location on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Facebook and make sure that you're logged into your account. After doing that, head over to the menu option on the bottom right corner and then scroll down till you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy and head over to Settings. After you're on your settings, what you can do is you can actually scroll down, and after you scroll down you should see an option that will say your device permissions. It's under your activity. Head over to device permissions and right there you should find location. Tap on see info and from here you can update your settings. Tap on update settings which will take you to your device's settings. So just tap on that and follow along. After you do that, you should see an option that says location, and after you find the location option, simply turn it off. After you turn it off, your location services for Facebook will get turned off and you're basically good to go. And that is how you turn off location on Facebook, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.